Hey everyone, welcome back to another update from Spotify Camp Nou. The heart of Barcelona's football dream, now rising higher every week. The transformation is moving fast, and today, we'll walk you through the latest progress from every corner of the stadium. From the growing upper decks to the massive roof structure taking shape above the city. If you enjoy following these updates, make sure to subscribe and stay connected. There's still a lot more happening inside the new Camp Nou. Let's dive in. The installation of prefabricated seating continues across the lower and middle stands, especially on the south goal side. Every week, new concrete panels arrive, bringing more shape to the seating bowl. The third tier keeps growing, with cranes and workers operating non-stop to place each heavy piece precisely where it belongs. The giant support columns for the new roof are now mostly complete. Some are still being reinforced and encased, but others already show the final shape. Once the roof trusses arrive, these columns will carry the full weight of the upper cover, which will extend over all three tiers and create a completely enclosed arena. Along the lateral side of the stadium, new prefabricated terraces are being installed rapidly. This area shows some of the most visible progress, with rows of concrete seating already lined up and ready for finishing. Behind the stands, additional support beams and service tunnels are taking form. This section connects both the north and south goals and will serve as one of the main routes for crowd movement during matches. At the north goal, heavy construction continues on the upper platforms and seating. New beams and prefabricated modules have been set in place, marking the outline of the final tier. The area is also decorated with temporary vinyl banners, including one showing Pedri's number 8. A nice touch of identity amid all the construction activity. The Tribuna section, which will hold the press areas, executive seats, and much of the stadium's central infrastructure, is now one of the busiest zones. Steel structures and formwork are visible across several levels, and crews are pouring new concrete slabs every few days. This stand connects directly to the future roof system, so its progress is key to the overall structure. Below ground, construction of the parking structure is almost complete. Most of the floor slabs have been poured, leaving only a few sections under preparation. The underground area will include access ramps and technical rooms to support matchday operations and logistics. Once completed, this space will provide modern and efficient parking with direct access to the main stands, helping ease traffic flow around the stadium on busy match days. The triangular zone known as the Diamond, located between the north goal and Tribuna, has now been fully reinforced and concreted. It's a structural connector between major sections of the stadium, combining steel, concrete, and support beams. Once finished, it will serve as both an architectural feature and a key load-bearing element. The third cantilevered deck above the north goal is now fully assembled, with all the hollow core concrete slabs in place. Next, teams will move on to reinforcing and pouring the upper surface. Once that phase is complete, the focus will shift to the steel roof frame, one of the most exciting and complex milestones of the entire project. Every week, the transformation of Spotify Camp Nou becomes more visible. Every week, the transformation of Spotify Camp Nou becomes more visible. What started as a demolition site has evolved into a modern, massive structure. That's quickly taking the shape of a new era for FC Barcelona. There's still plenty of work ahead, but the progress so far clearly shows that the dream of a new Camp Nou is steadily becoming reality. And that's it for today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. The work continues every day, and each week brings us one step closer to seeing this incredible stadium completed. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Global Mega Builds for more updates from the world's biggest construction projects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.